In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Twitch app on iPhone. Open your Apple Store, right? It's Apple Store. If you want to install Twitch, just come onto the search and type in Twitch. Yeah, so this is Twitch. So just click on this get. Once it's come out, click on the install, right? So this is it. So click on download. So this is basically how you can install Twitch app on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video. Just wait for it to download. So once this is downloaded, I'm going to show you, right? I'm going to show you once this has installed to my phone. So wait for a few seconds for it to load up. So it's currently loading. So let us see. Yeah, so this is it. This is Twitch. So if I open it, I'm going to be able to do this, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next.